Hello friends, I welcome you all on the platform Don't Memorize, Just Clear the Concept. Today we are going to move on to our next exercise, that is exercise number 2.3, and this exercise deals with the linear equations in one variable, but this time we have variable on both the side of the equation. So this would be your learning outcome, that after having this video lesson you would be able to solve the linear equations in one variable when the variable is on both the sides of the equation. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Hello friends, today we are going to start our new exercise, that is linear equations having variables on both sides. Okay, earlier we have discussed the linear equations having variable on one side. Okay, now we are going to discuss the equations where variables are on both the sides. Okay, this is the exercise number 2.3. Let us move on. So friends, here you can see the very first problem. This is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Now here you can see that variables are on both the sides of the equation. Okay, now what we have to do, we would transpose variables on one side and constants on other side, because you know that we have to find out the value of this variable x. Okay, so to find out the value of x, we would transpose this 2x to the left hand side of the equation, but when we transpose 2x to the left hand side of the equation, its sign got changed. This 2x is converted into minus 2x. Okay, so this would become 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Now 3x minus 2x becomes x. Now x is equal to 18. So this is how we find out the value of this variable x. Okay, let us move on to the next example. This is the question number 4 of your textbook and exercise number 2.3. Here is the problem. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. You can see here again the variable z is on both the sides of the linear equation. So what we would do, we would transpose this 2z to the left hand side of the equation. You can also transpose 4z to the right hand side of the equation. There is no issue. Okay, you can do however you like. We would transpose 2z to the left hand side. We know that when we transpose any constant or any variable to the other side, its sign got changed. So we got 4z minus 2z plus 3 is equal to 6. Now solving this, 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z, and when we transpose this plus 3 to the other side, it would become minus 3. So it became 6 minus 3. Solving this, we would get 2z is equal to 3. We got 2z is equal to 3. Now z is equal to, we would transpose this 2 to the other side. We know that it is multiplied by z. When we transpose it to the other side, it would go in the division, or it would become the denominator. So we got z is equal to 3 upon 2, which is the required value of z variable. Okay? It is easy, na? Yes. Let us move on to the next problem. This is the question number 6 of your exercise 2.3. Here is the problem. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 round bracket start x minus 1 bracket close plus 7. Now, first of all, we would solve this bracket. We would multiply 3 with x and multiply 3 with minus 1. Okay. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied x. We got 3x. 3 multiplied by minus 1. We got minus 3 plus 7. Now, in the next step, we would transpose 3x to the left hand side. Okay. We got 8x minus 3x plus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 7. Now, solving this, we would get 5x and this is plus 4. Now, in order to find out the value of x, we would transpose this 4 to the other side. Then this plus 4 would be converted into the minus 4. Okay. So, we got 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 and minus 4. Solving this, 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x. This is equal to minus 3 minus 4 becomes minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 and plus 7 is equal to 0. So, this became 5x is equal to 0. Now, x is equal to 0 upon 5, which is equal to 0. So, we got the value of x, that is 0, which is the required answer. So, shall we move on to the next question? Yes, okay. Here is another example. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now here again we have variable on both the sides of the equation. Okay, we would transpose the variable, one of the variable to the other side and constants to the other side. So, we would transpose 7x upon 15 to the left hand side and transpose 1 to the right hand side. But when 7x would be transposed to the left hand side, its sign would be changed. So, we got 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3, 1 changed into minus 1. We got 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, we got 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15. Now, here in the denominator, we have 3 and 15. Now, what we can do to remove this denominator? Okay. Either we can take the LCM of 3 or 15. Or the second way could be that let us multiply the whole equation by 15. Okay, if we multiply the whole equation by 15, what we get? 15 multiplied by 2x upon 3 minus 15 multiplied by 7x upon 15 is equal to 15 multiplied by 2. Here solving this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15, and here 15 got cancelled with 15. So in this way our denominator has gone away. Okay, we got 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 multiplied by 2x minus 15 got cancelled with 15. We got minus 7x is equal to 15 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 2x became 10x minus 7x is equal to 30. Now solving this, 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x is equal to 30. Now x is equal to, we know that 3 was multiplied by x. So when we transpose it to the other side, it would go in the divisions. Okay, it would become 30 upon 3. Now simplifying it, 3 ones are 3 and 3 tens are 30. It became x is equal to 10, which is the required answer. So this is how we can find out the value of any variable. This was super easy. Let us try one more example for the better understanding of yours. Here we are having 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now you can see that here the denominator is 3. है ना? When we multiply this equation with 3 on both the sides, this denominator would vanish. So let us do. Multiply both sides by 3. We get 3 into 2y plus 3 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 26 upon 3 minus 3 into y. Okay, now here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 got cancelled with 3. Here also 3 got cancelled with 3, and we would get 2y, 3 multiplied by 2y, 6y plus 3 cancelled with 3, 5 is equal to 3 cancelled with 3, 26 minus 3y. Now this is the similar kind of equation we have solved earlier. Now we would transpose this y to the left hand side and this 5 to the right hand side so that we can find out the value of y. Okay, let us do 6y plus 3y. As we have transposed this 3y and it was in negative sign, when we shifted it to the other side, it became positive. Okay, 26 minus 5. 5 was in positive sign, but when we shifted it to the other side, it becomes minus 5. So 6y plus 3y is equal to 9y, and 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. Now we got y is equal to 21 upon 9. We can further simplify it. 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. So y is equal to 7 upon 3, which is the required value. So now it's time for you to give it a try. Here I am giving you some problems which you have to solve yourself. After solving them, for the check, I am also providing you the answers. The answer of first question is t has value -1. In the second question, x is equal to 5, and in the third problem m is equal to 4 upon 5. So it's over for today. With this we have completed exercise number 2.3. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.